everyone, it's me, and today I'm here with my little cousin,
Alexa.
So make sure you go watch part 1 where we started off. So yeah, so we started off mixing the slimes, but mine's not fully mixed. It has to be all purple.
Mine is almost all pink.
Keep mixing. And yeah, we're gonna start recording. Okay, so our slimes are fully mixed. It's purple.
Mine is not.
Yours is pink. Okay, Alexa. Now we're going to be adding some Tide. So I got some Tide from Dollar Store. So, and then we're also going to be doing minute 20. Okay.
Why are your grandma's watching us?
Shush. So I'm going to add some Tide. A little bit of Tide on the time. You want Tide? So now we're going to mix it up.
Mix it up again. Make it soft.
I don't like using dark blue with Tide because it's going to get like chunky. Oh, shoot, I'm making a mess.
Mine didn't get chunky. Okay.
I'll be right back with our slime done. So mine is turning out good. It's getting chunkier and chunkier, but we microwaved it for like 10 seconds or something. But yeah, we'll be right back with our slime. It's good. So you guys, my slime is good. I don't know about Alexa, but I'll take care of her. But it's just so slimy, goopy, and yippy. But I still like it, and I don't know where Alexa went, but yeah, I'll be right back. And so this is Alexa's slime. Don't touch mine.
It's hot.
Yeah. So yeah, this is Alexa's pink slime. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a second slime. But we're gonna top this.